Good morning. My name is Bruce Kopic, and I'm the Senior Director of Operations here at Dane Power & Light. As you can imagine, yesterday morning, the Miami Valley as a whole was hit with really a devastating ice event, which, as you can imagine, for a Midwest utility is absolutely our worst nightmare, right? From a reliability situation, when you've got foliage still on the trees and you have up to a ½ inch or more of ice, you're just going to have absolutely devastating conditions. In this case, 80,000 customers have been impacted by the outages. The good news is, 70,000 of those folks impacted have been restored. Unfortunately, there are still 10,000 folks that are waiting for restoration now. We've got a whole host of crews out in the field that are going to continue to work 24 hours a day until every customer service is restored. Now, in this case, as we get on large quantities of customers in the first day and a half, all of that will slow down where patience is truly going to be tested. You can imagine almost 1,000 calls we have in the system right now that impact 2 or fewer customers. And on almost all of those calls, the work that's going to have to be done is very, very time consuming. So you can imagine 2, 3, or 4 hours to simply restore an individual customer. Now that's incredibly important, but it's also incredibly time consuming. And we want to make sure that it's done as safe as possible for the entire Miami Valley. And between now until every single customer is restored, please treat every low wire as though it could be energized. Stay away from it, keep your pets inside. Also, if you've got a neighbor you can check on that lives next door, maybe an elderly neighbor, give them a look-see. Make sure that everything's a-okay. I promise we're on our way. We are still bringing in crews from other parts of Ohio, Virginia, and Indiana that are going to arrive throughout the day. We're going to get them safety briefed. We're going to get them out in the field as quickly as we can. The entire storm team will be here to make sure that every light comes on. But we certainly appreciate your patience.